Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a very important topic in connection with what I've been talking about the Ndwandwe Zulu Wars. Uh, we are told that Isilo, not Dinuzulu, Beguzulu, took a wife from the Ngumalo clan, and that wife bore King Zwelithini. So meaning that through marriage, the Zulus and the Ndwandwes have produced King Zwelithini, meaning that there is now a new relationship that has been formed between the two families from the time that Shaka attacked Ndwandwe King Zwide, because of the killing of King Dingiswayo, his king at that time under the Mthetwa Empire. So it means that now there is no war between the Ndwandwe and the Zulu through the production of Isilo Uzwelithini. Now, King Nosizulu has a mother from Swaziland. So meaning that all the problems that the Ngwane people had with Dingan are now automatically resolved because now the Zulus have a wife from Swaziland. So there is that connection now between the two royal houses in the SADC region. I thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that you will pay close attention to these family relations. Thank you.